Got my whole family going backwards.
Don't think about it too much.
Hey guys, let's get into this unboxing. I'd like to thank Klaiyi for sponsoring today's video. Inside of the packaging, you get a satin robe. She's really cute. Green's my favorite color. As well as this ring she spins, okay? Some wig caps, a Velcro headband for your lace, as well as a satin bag, a necklace and a pendant. I found another wig cap in the box, as well as some eyelashes and another headband to make sure your wig doesn't slip. And of course, your wig, girl. This is a 13 by 4 kinky straight lace front wig. It's in 24 inches. It is pre-plucked with some baby hairs. The density is 150. Of course, you have your two sliding combs on both sides of the wig cap, as well as a sliding comb at the nape area with some adjustable straps and additional lace. As you can see, this hair is in a natural color brown. It looks like they did some plucking here, but not too much on the sides. So I will have to do some plucking there on the side. So yeah, this is what she's looking like. The cap size is on point, okay? Perfect cap size. So this is a really good length. Stops about here. All right, let's style this hair. I really wanted to see how this hair looks straight, so I went ahead and did one pass in each section, and this is how she turned out. You guys, she straightened out so beautifully, and I didn't use any product on this hair. I turned my iron to 430, and literally, you guys, one pass. So I just went ahead and cut the lace so I can kind of see what I'm working with here. As you can see, it definitely needs some plucking at the hairline. Like, we're not gonna get away with like not plucking the hairline. We gotta take some of that bulk out. But for the most part, she's beautiful. This particular wig straightened like that. I had absolutely no problem straightening this hair at all, but I actually want to put some waves in it. So to achieve the waves that I'm looking for, I then misted the hair with some water and braided it down. I added a little bit of mousse once it was braided, and I let it dry overnight. And this is what she's looking like. Okay, I really wanted to avoid the whole ball cap method because I really dislike it, but I felt as though I needed to do that with this wig, especially because I wasn't bleaching the knots. So here I'm just taking off any excess that did not lay when I used the Got to Be Glued spray. Okay, so here's our girl. She has been cut and plucked and braided, and we're done. This is what we're gonna look like today. Psych, I'm just playing. Okay, so let me go ahead and lay this girl down. Okay, so this lace is looking rather light-skinned, but I'm gonna do my makeup and it does look a little better. So we're just gonna work with what we have. I'm gonna pull out some of these baby hairs and cut them and curl them and lay them as best as possible. All right, so I'm gonna take some bio silk. I really needed to tint the lace and bleach the knots, but I didn't because I don't like doing those things. I want a wig to come and, you know, be ready to go. I know I could have laid this lace a lot better than I did. That's what's bugging me. But I am going to work on that. I am going to work on that because I really want this to be my go-to wig this winter. So, yeah. All right, you guys, so let's get into the pros and cons of this wig. Let's be honest, with every unit, there is pros and cons. So I'm going to start with the cons and end on a good note with the pros, okay? When I wet it down, it smelled like the chemical that they use to make it kinky straight. Like, it definitely smelled like a processing chemical. I did receive some shedding while working with the hair. Okay, there was a little bit, not a lot, but enough to speak about. Another con is if you would like to do a deep side part, you wouldn't be able to. You would definitely have to do this flip over method that I'm doing because the track is literally like right here. So you only get what is that? 2 inches on the side. So you can't do a really deep side part. You would definitely have to just do like a flip over method as I have done. You would definitely have to tint the lace and you would have to bleach the knots and you would have to pluck the hairline. I still have a lot of plucking to do. I just got tired of plucking because I plucked so much, but that's neither here nor there. The knots do need to be bleached. I did not bleach my knots. And the lace, if you are a brown girl, you definitely need to tint the lace or spray it with some type of tinting lace spray or just put some makeup on there. I did not do that underneath and I wish I had because I think it would have blended so much better than what it's blending right now. You would think like the knots itself would bug me, but that's not what's bugging me. What's bugging me is the lace color itself. On to the pros that I enjoy about this hair. This hair, for it to be kinky straight, is super lightweight and soft. If this feels like what my hair used to feel like, you know what I mean? So I really enjoyed that about the hair. When I went to straighten the hair, I only had to do one pass and the hair straightened out perfectly. It looks exactly like relaxed hair, period. During the braiding out process, the hair was very easy to manipulate. I think I'm gonna go ahead and bleach the knots, tint the lace, dye the hair jet black, and, you know, pluck this hairline to my liking because I really, really love the density and the lightweightness of this hair. I love that this hair is easily manipulated and will take on whatever you do to it. It's just beautiful and it's very versatile. So if you have not bought any of the wigs I have reviewed this year, this is the one to get, okay? All of your hair is put away. I love this hair. They did an awesome job on this wig, you guys. A lot of you asked me how tall I am. I think I'm just going to put it in the description box of these videos because a lot of people ask me. I am 5'5", and this hair hits me right to my hip. I do recommend this wig. Absolutely, y'all. She does. All right, you guys, I really hope you've enjoyed this video. I will have all of the information and the links in the description box down below. And until the next time, be love.
Shoes at hand and we're not discussing. Done saying, we just friends now. Got me feeling pinned down.
You told